guys, welcome to Shalini Vlogs और आज हम करने जा रहे हैं योगा चैलेंज।
तो इस चैलेंज में होने वाली है 3 लेवल्स,
इजी, मॉडरेट एंड डिफिकल्ट।
हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे के लिए हर एक लेवल के लिए योगा पोज सिलेक्ट कर रखी है जो हमने एक दूसरे को नहीं बताया,
और जिसको जो योगासन आएगा उसको वो करना होगा, और अगर वो नहीं कर पाया तो उसे मिलेगी
पनिशमेंट। सो गाइस, लेट्स बिगिन विद द चैलेंज। लेकिन उसके पहले हम डिसाइड करेंगे कि पहले कौन जाएगा हम दोनों में से,
और वो हम डिसाइड करेंगे ऑड इवन से।
तो तू क्या ले रही है?
मैं ले रही हूँ ऑड।
1 2 3 शो।
It's an even.
Okay, so
She's
even
going to go first.
So I'm going first and she'll follow.
Okay.
So let's see.
So guys, now I'm gonna tell her कि इसको कौन सा योगा पोज करना है फॉर द इजी लेवल, और मैं आप लोगों को भी बताने वाली हूँ कि ये कौन सा योगा पोज करने वाली है। So this is the yoga pose I've decided for her for the easy level.
Okay. तो देख लेते हैं। Okay. इतना डिफिकल्ट लग नहीं रहा है। Let's see. Okay. Let's see.
Okay, so now she is going to do the yogasan, Bhujangasan. The yogasan that she is going to do is called Bhujangasan. So let's see what she's. Okay, keep your hands straight. Look in the camera. Okay, I think she have done it successfully. That's my turn.
Now it's Didu's turn to perform the yogasan of the easy level. मैंने चूज किया उनके लिए एक योगासन जो अब मैं रिवील करती हूँ। सो पहले आप लोग देख लीजिए। ओके, नाउ Didu, you see it?
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Yes, she's gonna do it. So let's see what she does. Now Didu is going to do Adho Mukha Svanasana. So let's see what she does. Begin.
Oh God, it's painful.
Okay, you can be back. So now guys, it's time for next level. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Okay guys, so it's time for the second stage, that is
the moderate level.
Yes.
So I have decided a pose for her for the moderate
Okay.
level, which is called Anand Balasana,
Acha, okay.
which is also known as Happy Baby Pose
Oh,
in English.
nice.
So have a look, you guys. This is the asana.
Okay, this is quite nice.
Yes,
Difficult, maybe. Is it difficult?
but it's not.
No.
Doesn't look.
These things don't look difficult, but they are difficult
I
to
guess.
perform. Yeah.
Okay, so
Let's see.
let's go.
Yeah.
So now she is going to do the
Try.
pose. Okay. Give your best.
Yeah.
Up, up, up. Yes, up.
Wait. Is it?
Hold.
Okay. It's painful, but yeah.
Yeah, very good. Okay. I think that's enough. Okay. You can relax.
Her moderate level pose. So let's see what it is. इसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं नौकासन और इंग्लिश में it is boat pose. So let's see now how she does it.
Okay. I'll try to do it.
Yeah.
I think I can.
You can?
Yes.
Great.
Yes, I can.
She can. So let's see what she does. So now she is ready to perform her Naukasan. So let's see what she does. Oh, amazing. Isn't she looking like a boat? Can you swim in water?
Don't waste my time.
Okay, come down. How was it?
It's painful now.
ठीक है, so now we will move to the third level. So हम आ चुके हैं हमारी थर्ड स्टेज पे, जो कि है सबसे डिफिकल्ट स्टेज.
मतलब ये वाली स्टेज हमारी वाट लगा देने वाली है क्योंकि मॉडरेट लेवल में ही वी वर एक्सपीरियंसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ
पेन.
लॉट ऑफ पेन लाइक बहुत ज्यादा टफ हो गया था वही हमारे लिए तो अब ये तो मतलब लगा देने वाली है हमारी.
अब तो हमें डाउट हो रहा है कर भी पाएंगे क्या.
बट यार we are gonna attempt and we are being positive about it. हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे. Let's see what happens then.
Let's see. चलो देखते
Okay,
हैं.
so I have decided a difficult pose for her,
Okay.
which is called Chakrasana.
Oh, I mean circle बनना है क्या?
No,
I mean I have a belly which is a circle.
it's Chakrasana
Okay.
and it looks like this.
Oh no.
Yes.
सीधे थोड़ा. क्या बोलूं मैं
You can't do it. It's a difficult level, so we have to, we have to
I mean,
cross limits now.
God, but this is difficult.
No, it's not.
काफी
You can, and we are gonna try. Okay. So
हाँ, we are gonna try exactly. मतलब नहीं
Don't
हुआ तो
make it
नहीं
up.
हुआ तो यार ठीक है.
we tried at least, so let's see
Let's see
what
what
happens.
happens.
Okay, so now she's gonna try the Chakrasana. Okay, you can do it. Be positive. Okay.
You have to go back, right?
Yeah. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? I think you should try it by
But
late ja. Late jao and then come up. Maybe that will help. Yeah.
Okay, मैं लेट गई.
With your hands, push your body up.
I have to ऐसे ही.
Yes. With your hands, you got to push your body up.
ऐसे.
Yes. Come on.
Am I doing right?
Yes. Go on. Make the pose.
Mama,
Very good. Yes.
this is painful.
Very good.
Oh,
She almost made it, na?
Mama.
Very good.
I'm coming.
Okay. Come down. Oh, slow, bro.
Oh, bro.
But you attempted. That's the big deal.
तो बोलेंगे try करो.
No, it was right. काफी
Close.
कुछ, yeah, close to very.
मैं पहली बार किया था यार.
Going.
बहुत difficult है.
Okay, so now it's my turn.
So let's see what I have got for her. जो इसने मुझे योगासन किया था बिल्कुल इजी नहीं था. मतलब बहुत लगती है. ठीक है. लेकिन मैंने इसके लिए जो लाया है ना वो भी काफी टफ है. Let's see if she is able to do it. Let's see. तो ये है हलासन जो आपको करना है. Let's see what she does.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this because it is looking really tough. And it is, I think it's going to be tough.
Let's see. चलो. She is ready to do her difficult pose, जो कि है हलासन, जो मैंने इसे दिया है. देखते हैं क्या करती हैं.
It's not easy. It's not easy, but I'm not
Even
gonna
my
give my
one was
best.
not easy. So let's see.
I'm gonna give my best. Let's see.
What? What are you doing, man?
I have to push my legs there, na?
Oh my god, you मतलब ऐसे? Great.
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay, you can do it. I know you will do it. She's a sport man. You'll do it. She did it. No way. She did it. Oh god. She did
Fast,
it.
go fast.
Yeah.
It's
You can come back. Okay, you can come back. Come. Oh. Aram se. You can. Oh god.
It was tough. It was so tough.
So how was it, bro?
It was a nice experience, though.
Hey, you did it perfectly, man.
Yeah, because it was like I did गुलांटी जो बचपन में किया करती थी मैं गुलांटी बनवा रही है तो काम
तो ये क्या ट्रायल एंड एरर था आपका फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में सही हो गया ऐसा?
कुछ हो गया है
Okay, very nice, bro. Very nice. Finally, we've reached the end of this video on yoga challenge.
and we hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Do let us know in the comment section who do you think is the winner because we could not decide who the winner is. So we are letting you guys to decide who do you think is the winner. Do let us know in the comment section.
अगर आपको मैं अच्छी लगी तो लिखेंगे अवनी और अगर शैली दीदी अच्छी लगी तो लाइक शैली इन द कमेंट सेक्शन सो वी नो हु यू थिंक इज द विनर.
जी और जैसे कि आपको पता है कि कोरोना वायरस बहुत ज़्यादा फैल रहा है इंडिया में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा फैल चुका है काफ़ी सारी डेथ्स हो चुकी है तो क्योंकि अभी आप लोग भी बैठे हैं सेल्फ आइसोलेशन में घर पे तो आप भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं योगा चैलेंज एंड डू लेट अस नो कि कैसा रहा आपका योगा चैलेंज. हमें आप सजेशंस भी दे सकते हैं अबाउट हमें क्या लाना चाहिए इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियोस. सो enjoy the self isolation and enjoy the yoga challenges.
Also, do like, share and subscribe to Sharni
Sharni
Vlogs and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we put a video for you. So guys, see you next time.
Stay home and stay safe, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.